Uthi kind athi sharp was there for me. Fikile ntwana zama for lesikhathi le for 1 hour. Khohlwe ngento ekuzosibuhlungu. Kusebholweni try ukuthi ube happy. Ama advice wakhe noma advice akhe a sharp because bengana umuntu uthi in the whole squad ujwayelene naye.
Yeah, ujwayele uhluthiso.
So having umuntu uthi ngimjwayele uclose wanginceda ngaleso sikhathi ngale game futhi. Wakunceda kakhulu because he was there with, you know, my father. Wena mongena lapha mfethu. Shaya labantu.
Yenza into yaziyo.
Uyenza into yaziyo. Shaya labantu, shaya lezambani lakho. Yenza because into nenye ngenze ukuthi relax ufile ngathi udlala nentanga zakho. Ngilast ball lapha. Bonke esquadini abantu abahoti, ama-hotman,
Abadala, ama-veteran.
yeah. So ama-hotman mabeza kimi, no. Sasentwana wena man. Yenza into efuna ukuyenza sokumakela la emuva la. Nalapha phambili mayidlisile ku right. Sokumakela thina.
Soyilungisa into
Soyilungisa and sokuphasa futhi uyenze till ibe right. So support ama teammate, support out yami was there ukuthi ngifeel like no siningene phakathi ngenza into right. Ngenzele mina. Ngenzele umndeni wami, ngenzele
country phela lapho represent.
Lapho ngirepresent ikhaya.
So ngitshele ke mawuya ekhaya eSuthu after that performance so national team, obviously so staff national team. Nana obviously bafuna something kuba skipper kuba umfeya ngithi yazi abanye bashayifa bathi akubaka ikazi yakhe mawufika la endlini bayithatha kanjani la endlini
Ke endlini bebathi